She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up.
Hey guys, it's me, Ella. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be transforming boring clothes by tie-dyeing them and bleach dyeing them. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe down below and like the video, and let's get started. So I bought this giant pack of tie-dye. It comes with tons of bottles of tie-dye in literally any color you can think of. And then I bought lots of different things to tie-dye. Of course, just a plain white shirt and a plain white tank top. And then I also got a plain black t-shirt and a plain black tank top to bleach dye. And then just a few other random things. They had bandanas at the craft store, so I picked up a white bandana. I don't know how well this will tie-dye. And then a pair of socks. These are just socks with little smiley faces on them, so I thought it'd be cute to tie-dye these. So let's get started with the tie-dye. Okay, so I have all my dye bottles mixed. So now I have to rubber band all of the shirts and get them ready to tie-dye. Okay, so I just finished rubber banding my first one, and I tried to make a heart. As you can see, you can't really tell, but there's a heart in there, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it looks like a heart and not just a blob. Now that I got my gloves on, it's time to start dyeing it. So I'm gonna put dark pink on the heart, which is right here, and light pink everywhere else. Now we cover the rest in this light pink color. I'm really hoping that this turns out well and doesn't look stupid, because that would be so sad. I think that's enough pink. Can you even tell? I can't use my fingers on this thing. First shirt done, it's time to do the rest. My next tie-dye method is where you just scrunch it all up, so hopefully it looks like those cloud-looking tie-dye things. This very 4th of July looking. I just tie-dyed the bandana and I made it a rainbow swirl, but I didn't show it on camera because it was a little hard to film it and do it at the same time. The next tie-dye technique is stripes, and I'm making stripes on these socks. So here are my socks. They're pink, blue, and purple with the stripes in them. And I think these are gonna turn out pretty good. Now I have rainbow fingers. Here are all of the tie-dye projects, and then later on I need to get some bleach, and I'm gonna make the 2 bleach t-shirts. Okay, so now I'm going to do the bleach shirts. So this first one, I'm gonna spiral it, and I'm pretty sure you're supposed to do it with a fork, but I don't know how they do that. But I think it'll work better than my hands. Okay, so I mixed half bleach and half water and put it in this water bottle, and now I'm gonna pour it on top of this black part. It's a little scary, but okay, it's already starting to turn orange. Now I have to do the back side real quick. Look at that, it's turning red. Can you tell? The last thing that I'm going to be tie-dyeing is this tank top, and I'm just going to be bleach dyeing it, and I think I'm going to do it the same technique as the other tank top, just kind of doing it randomized. Here it is. It's just in its a little scrunchy ball, and I'm just going to pour some of the bleach on top. Here is the back, and you can see the bleach is starting to set in, and I kind of like this random pattern, and there's tons of grass in it. That's gross. Anyway, this is gonna be totally random, but I think it'll look really nice. I finished bleaching this one, and I'm gonna do something a little bit risky, but I'm going to try and put tie-dye over these blank spots and make it into a rainbow swirl, and I think it has the potential to look really cute. We just have to hope that I can pull it off and not mess it up. So this is actually working so well. All I have to do is pour the color and it just soaks up on the bleached part, and it's looking really cool so far. Okay, so it's a few days after all those clips that you already saw, and I finished the tie-dyes. I washed them and dried them, so I'm going to show you how they turned out. So let's start with the first one I showed you, the heart tie-dye. This was a fail. I think I got the wrong kind of shirt because none of the dye even stayed in the shirt. It's just a little bit tinted, so we'll just move on. That was a big fail. The next shirt was the tank top, and it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. It's kind of like a splattered effect. So I didn't show you the process of dyeing the bandana, but this is how it turned out. I think it's pretty cool. You can see the spiral effects right there. And I'm not really sure what I'll do with this. I might put it on my dog. I've seen some people wear it like this, but I don't know about that. Or I could tie it in my hair. So these are the socks. The pink dye didn't stay very much, but the blue did. It gave it kind of a cotton candy effect. They were supposed to be stripes, but you can kind of see the stripes. It's not that clear, and the little smiley faces turned green, but these are okay, I guess. Here is the bleach dye tank top. This turned out super good. I couldn't be more happy with it. It's got super cool effects on it because I just randomly sprayed the bleach on it, but I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I'm definitely going to be wearing this all the time. The last shirt I made is definitely my favorite. It looks so cool. It's the reverse rainbow tie-dye shirt. That is so cool. I love how this looks, and I'm gonna wear this all the time. It's super unique, and I've never seen anybody wearing a shirt like this before. So maybe we can start a trend, start making your own rainbow black tie-dye. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know down in the comments if you like this video and want to see anything similar to it in the future, and I will definitely do so. Don't forget to subscribe down below and like the video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!